Izindaba ezibuhlungu kwiqembu le-EFF zingenile ekseni ezithi uFloyd Shivambu uyashiya kuleli qembu njengoba ngeke ngakubikela. Usephindeke waveza ke kwi-media briefing ebikade ibanjwe ilona iqembu le-EFF. Uveze ke ukuthi ke njengoba ehambile nje kwi-EFF iqembu ke akalijoyinayo iqembu likaMnumzane Jacob Zuma okuyiqembu loMkhonto Wesizwe. Ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngezakho izindlebe bese ungenzela isiqiniseko sokuthi uchofa subscribe like bese comment asidibana kwe-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.
Revolutionary regards and God bless, and the letter is signed off. And just to give clarity so that there is no speculation, I've decided not to renew the membership of the EFF because I will join and participate in uMkhonto Wesizwe party. I am not going to speak here in Winmadikizela Mandela House as to what is the basis of that, because that will be tantamount to campaigning already for uMkhonto Wesizwe party. So I'm going to be actively involved in uMkhonto Wesizwe party and shape its direction and the politics that are obtaining today in South Africa. So that is to end the uncertainty or speculations that have been obtaining in terms of what is going to happen.
I can't give a list of who's going to join MK after Floyd. I didn't know Floyd was going to join MK. So if I didn't know about Floyd, can you imagine about others? Because I'm more close to Floyd, more than anyone else. So if I didn't know about Floyd, you can expect that there will be others. Our relationship with MK does not get affected by individual members joining MK or leaving MK to join EFF or anything. Our relationship is defined by what the Deputy President has read as a charter for progressive caucus. And that's what brings us together with MK. I stand before you to accept the decision of the Deputy President of the EFF, who has voluntarily resigned his positions and did not renew his membership. When he sent me a letter yesterday, I felt the same pain when I received the news of the passing away of my mother. Because Floyd, to me, is not just a comrade, he's a brother. And he will remain a brother even when he pursues his political career differently. We formed this organization together. And I've told him that resigning from the EFF is equal to resigning from himself, because this is his organization.